Hey guys, so my kids get so excited by science experiments, so this week we tried 3 involving density and color that all the kids, even Tess, absolutely loved. Alright, so before we get started, we put on our kids' crafting gloves because we are working with food dye, and really we could have just stopped there. High five! Alright, so first up we've got rainbow density. This turned out amazing. You start with the thickest liquid, honey.
Oh no.
Sorry, this is a little messy.
No.
And you add red and blue food coloring to make
Purple.
And this one is also the hardest to pour in. Oh, just slowly forward. Uh-oh.
Oh no.
And so I would just do this one yourself. The rest are pretty easy. Next we add a 1/4 cup of blue dish soap. Great job, bud! Then water dyed green, and here we start tilting the bottle and really carefully pouring so the liquids don't mix. Yellow olive oil with that same tilt. That's perfect. And finally add your least dense liquid, rubbing alcohol dyed red, and ta-da!
It's a rainbow.
You've got a pretty awesome rainbow thanks to
Density.
the kids loved experimenting with this.
White through the yellow and then it comes back.
And as a really fun twist, you can add glitter.
Look at clothes! Look!
And watch it break through the different layers.
It clumps.
Next up, we've got what I call magic potion. Now you've seen us do this with a large bin of milk, but I never quite have that much to spare, so we tried with a 1/4 cup of whole milk onto a plate.
Mine exactly fits.
Add a few drops of food coloring and then dip a Q-tip into liquid dish soap and touch the milk. Yes!
Oh!
The dish soap just breaks apart and dissolves the fat in the milk, so you get that super cool swirl that kind of just keeps going and going.
It's moving.
It was neat enough for Presley to whip out her iPad to tape. I wonder where she gets that from.
I'm gonna keep this forever.
And finally, we've got oil and water beads, which I hadn't seen, but they absolutely loved. You just need colored water. We used an ice cube tray, oil, the clear kind like baby oil looks the best, and pipettes. And they just drop this colored water into the oil.
Guys, look! It's little balls.
And this works because water molecules are more attracted to each other than to oil, so they don't dissolve.
Mine, look, they don't break.
It's so simple, but they got such a kick out of this.
Bubbles!
Experimenting.
Guys, watch this. When I mix it up, it makes more bubbles.
And making observations.
Squeeze it into the bubble to make it bigger.
And by the way, this was definitely Tess's favorite.
Mommy, see? A bubbles.
Who I didn't even think was gonna do these activities. That's why she was dressed in white, and she totally hung out with the big kids for the first time doing all of them. So guys, I hope you give these a try. It's great for all ages. I will see you next week. Bye.